To get beautiful tulips in spring, we need to plant the bulbs now. So today, we will focus on how to plant and grow tulips. There will be lots of tips throughout the video, so stay focused. I will also tell you a tulip trick, which no one at the big box stores will tell you, because they want you to buy bulbs every year. Let's begin with the question. What is the best time to plant tulip? October is the perfect month for planting these bulbs in. The goal is to get these planted at least 3 weeks before the ground freezes. For containers, you can plant them all the way into late November, as long as the dirt inside the container is not frozen. For tulips, I'm going to plant these Darwin hybrid mix variety with flower bulbs. Choose the ones that are firm. If it is spongy or has soft spots when you press it, it is rotten. Also, planting bigger bulbs will give you bigger flowers. I will plant tulips in these very large containers. So the process is going to be very similar for planting tulips in ground. Although for planting in ground, pick a location that gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. You can move containers, but you cannot move the ground. I will reuse this potting mix, but when I mixed it originally for these containers, I mixed 1/3 compost with 1/3 vermiculite and 1/3 potting mix. I will link a video in description about how you can make a budget-friendly soil mix by yourself. I dug out to the depth of almost 9 inches from the top. In ground, you want to dig about 6 to 8 inches. We need to plant the tulip bulbs at a depth of 6 to 8 inches. So it would be better to use a larger and deeper container. To reuse this potting soil, I will add a high pK organic fertilizer. You can add a balanced fertilizer as well. When planting in ground, you can use the same fertilizer to give the bulbs a good start. With all of these bulbs, find the pointy end, and they should face towards the sky when you plant the bulb. The flat end should face towards the bottom of the container or towards the earth. This process is same as how I would plant tulips in ground. Notice I'm planting the bulbs a little away from the container edge. This is because the dirt gets more dry towards the container edge, so plants at the edge struggle more. I will add some water to make the soil moist. It will give the bulbs a good start, and you won't have to water it right after planting. Now we will cover the bulbs with the rest of the potting mix. There is still an important step remaining, which is to protect these bulbs, especially from squirrels. Last year, they stole all of my tulips by digging the bulbs out, especially in spring. So I am going to take this chicken wire and put it on top of the container, and then add 2 inches of dirt on top. This would keep the squirrel from digging out this pot. Adding some mulch on top is a good idea for ground as well as the containers. You don't need to water it much now. The rain and snow in winter and spring should be enough. Personally, I have never watered tulip and daffodil flowers. So now in spring you should get some beautiful tulips. But how to make it repeat bloom the next spring? There are 2 steps to it. First one is to pick the correct tulip variety. The ones commonly sold in big box stores are annual tulips. They bloom only once and then they are done. So you have to buy them again in fall. What you need is the perennial types, like the ones I planted. This is Darwin hybrid mix. I have a list of perennial and annual tulips on my blog, and you can refer to it to get the perennial types. The perennial tulips will bloom quite a few times. For example, these pink and purple tulips flowered for me for 3 years, until they finally faded away. I believe they faded away because at that time I didn't know how to care for them. Otherwise, they may have bloomed a few more times. So, how do you care for tulip bulbs after they have bloomed? First thing, do not cut the flower stem and leaves right after the flower dies out, because the leaves are still making food for the bulb and storing it in the bulbs for next year. The leaves dry out on their own. You can plant the next season plants around the bulbs if you need to. Second thing is to apply a high pK fertilizer after the flowers are done. Simply broadcast it around the bulbs. This also helps the bulbs regain strength and store energy for next year. Fall is also when you plant garlic. I have covered how to grow garlic in detail in the video linked here. Check it out next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Even a simple like helps this channel a lot. A comment would be even better.